So the craziest thing about my story compared to others is that I learned how to tile from a home builder, so I was only really ever taught the basics. Everything after that, I just had the drive and motivation to learn and get better myself. So I'd go to do education courses myself, such as Extruder courses. I'd come home and just read and watch videos of tile. It mesmerized me as to how you could get finished a job and be able to stand back at the end of the day and go, wow, that was awesome. Like, this looks awesome. I find homeowners and even other people, like even people on Instagram, they reach out and just go, holy man, like, that's awesome, or like, bro, that's sweet. Like, just all those little comments, it just gives you a pat on the back of assurance that like what you're doing is really incredible. I find that if you do one good job, it can go a long way. But if you do a really bad job, it can go a farther way. More people are going to talk about how bad a job was as opposed to how good a job was. And if you take on jobs as a simple backsplash, that job could lead to houses. It could lead to, you don't know who these people know. One of the biggest jobs I've ever done, I got from doing a backsplash. And at the time, it was just a simple backsplash. That's all it was. That's all the job detailed. The whole house was done. And a year later, I had her son call me and say, hey, I just bought a house. It's got 4 bathrooms, a big kitchen, and a front entry. All of it's got to get tiled. And I got it all, just from a backsplash. So at the age of 26, the construction industry it's definitely supplied a lot for me. Starting out, you don't make a bunch. I started out in my residential job making 15 bucks an hour. It's not a lot of money, but you know, the more you learn, the more you're going to make and the more successful you're going to be. I find that now that I'm self-employed, there's plenty of benefits. Obviously, the money's definitely one of them. I can afford to buy the nice tools I want. If I want a new grinder, I can go buy the new grinder. If I want to go buy some new toys, yeah, the money's there. I can go buy some new toys. If I bought my wife and I a sports car for our anniversary, and it's just something that we love to do. We love to hop in the Mustang at the end of the day or the end of the work week and just go for a drive. Maybe we'll go out for dinner, or it's little things in life that are more important than working.